Hi, my name is Jared Denzel Keller. I am a senior press secretary for the LGBTQ plus nonprofit, the Human Rights Campaign, and I am a mental health advocate. I am excited to tell you why I support the National Mental Health Corps by sharing a bit of my personal mental health journey with you. A large focus of the National Mental Health Corps is helping youth that are struggling with their mental health. And that is something that I really could have used when I was in high school, because that was around the time that I started to have some struggles with my mental health. I think that was one of the first times I realized I may be struggling with depression, but because at that time mental health wasn't so much of a thing, I didn't really have the vocabulary to articulate exactly what I was feeling or what was going on with me. Because I didn't talk openly about my mental health, I just kind of let my depression fester. I didn't really do anything about it. And as I moved into my 20s, it got worse. And in my late 20s is when I started to have uncomfortable conversations with myself about the fact that I may be struggling with depression, and you cannot keep hiding from it and acting like it's not happening, because that's only making it worse. After coming to that realization and becoming comfortable with the fact that I did struggle with depression, that's when I started taking the steps towards trying to get better by way of seeing a therapist and just trying to implement positive coping mechanisms. I'm managing it better now, but your mental health journey is a journey. It's not a destination. It's not a place that you arrive to. You're always going to have to work to make sure that you're good. But you do have to also remember that being on a mental health journey doesn't mean you're perfect. It just means that you're trying. Someone once told me that in order for you to help other people, that you have to help yourself first. And once you get to a point where you feel like you have helped yourself navigate your mental health journey a little bit better, then yes, that is time when you should try to give back and help other people who may be struggling too. And once you get to that point where you feel like you're ready to help, you can start by working with the National Mental Health Corps. You can donate to the National Mental Health Corps, and you can look into resources that help youth in your area by way of the National Mental Health Corps. Listen, you never really know what someone is going through and what stage of their mental health journey they're in. So try to be kind, and let's support each other on our own individual mental health journeys.